If you want to grow microgreens from peas, watch my video. Yeah, you will learn everything from the beginning till the end, how you can grow it and how you can take care of it. So stay tuned. So today we are going to grow these microgreen. In this container, we'll take the tissue, kitchen tissue, yeah, and we'll try to put, yeah, I'll take thick sheets, so typically I'll take one more, yeah, try to put here, and then I will water spray a bit, yeah. And then we'll take the soap piece, yeah. So these are these microgreen which have been growing. So I tried in three this thing. These are the 2 glass planters which I have used. Yeah, you can see, and it has been growing nicely, beautifully. And I tried in this plastic container. Yeah, it has a cover. It's a fruit this thing. So you can see that the growth in this has been little slow, yeah, but in this it has been really faster, yeah. So what we will do, we will just take it out from this. You see little water is there, yeah. You can see how nice the seeds are, yeah. So what we will do, see the tendrils, they are so beautiful, isn't it? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these, yeah, and use it for a salad or any other this thing, yeah. There you can cut it like this, yeah. See, some of the leaves have become bad, so we are going to remove that, yeah. And then what I'll do, I'll put it back in this and it will regrow. It will regrow like this. This I have already taken the cutting, and baby pause करके देखो तो ठीक से. So this I have already harvested earlier, yeah. See, the roots are still nice and I don't see any kind of fungus in this, yeah. If you get fungal attack, then you should just remove that part, yeah. Then again once more I'm going to just cut it, yeah, and then put it back, yeah. Next, this one This is small, but I think we can take some harvest from this also. Yeah. You can just take some of them and just cut it like this. Yeah, see how beautiful the tendrils are. See, this is how they look. So this is how you can. These are such plants which will regrow 2 to 3 times. You can cut them and use it as microgreens, but most of the seeds you will not cut. You cannot reuse them. You take one time cutting and it's done. Yeah. So yeah, see, we're already taking a lot of this thing, and I think this much is enough for our salad today. So yeah, these microgreens has grown out very beautifully in winters. And just see how nicely they are growing. Yeah. Eat. So giving you an update of my this thing, I checked it and I saw that there was some fungal attack. Do you see here? There was some fungal attack in some of my peas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this part. Okay. Yeah. So this I can remove, and let me check the other ones. Yeah. This also doesn't look nice, so I'm going to remove this as well. Yeah, if the entire this thing gets the fungal attack, then the rest of the looks nice, isn't it? So I'm going to keep it back again. Yeah, so this is how you can keep checking. And if the entire batch gets this thing, then you need to discard it completely.